Nippon Haku Bangkok is a big event celebrating Japanese culture, held in Bangkok since 2015. The event features various zones like Job Zone, Study Abroad Zone, Travel Zone, Anime and Manga Zone, Japanese Music Zone, Japanese Food Zone, and many Japanese company booths. In 2023, about 200 Japanese companies participated. Visitors can enjoy stage performances, workshops, and exhibitions showcasing the latest trends and traditional techniques from Japan. Many guests from Japan also attend, offering special performances and autograph sessions. In 2023, a record 129,000 people visited over 3 days. Nippon Haku Bangkok strengthens the friendship between Japan and Thailand and is very popular. The 2024 event will be held from August 30th to September 1st at Siam Paragon, a large shopping mall in Bangkok.